In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Home Depot online. By the end, you'll feel comfortable adding an item to your cart, reviewing it, and heading to checkout with confidence. I'll also share simple tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. First, open your web browser and go to homedepot.com. You'll land on the Home Depot homepage where you can browse by department or use the search bar at the top. If you already know what you want, type the product name and press enter to open its page. On a product page, take a moment to review the title, price, and availability. You'll usually see whether it's eligible for shipping to your address or for pickup at a nearby store. Glance at the ratings and description and verify any important details like size or quantity so you get exactly what you need. If the site asks for your location or a store, set it now to get accurate stock and delivery estimates. When you're ready, click Add to cart. If there are options such as quantity or color, choose those before adding. After you add the item, a brief confirmation or mini cart usually appears. This is a great time to double check the item name and price and confirm the quantity is correct. If you intend to buy more than one item, you can keep browsing. Your cart will remember what you've added. Next, click View Cart to open your shopping cart page. Here, review everything carefully. Make sure the product matches what you selected, confirm the quantity, and look at any shipping or pickup notes. If needed, adjust the quantity or remove an item with the controls next to it. You can also verify your zip code or store selection to see the most accurate delivery times and fees. Take a look at the subtotal, any estimated taxes, and potential delivery costs, so there are no surprises later. When everything looks good, click Checkout. This takes you to the secure checkout flow where Home Depot guides you through the final steps. You'll see options tied to your item's availability, such as delivery to your address or pickup at a selected store, along with an estimated arrival or pickup window. Carefully review the order summary on the right side of the page to confirm totals before proceeding. If the site asks you to sign in or continue as a guest, choose the